third quarter. And on the line to shoot one for Duquesne goes Vic Richards. Richards is a freshman. 6'6", 200 pounds. Has a percentage in the foul line of 66 out of 91. Puts up a foul shot. It's short, and it's cut back up to Richards himself. He gets off a one-hander. Smith, the rebound by Trump underneath his wrist. Another rebound goes to Bill around left of Princeton. Just about 5 seconds left to go. Strava puts up a shot underneath his wrist. The rebound by DeMoore. Shot and counts, and he'll get another. Just before the buzzer. And Doug Moore jumps off that same bench. The buzzer went off, but Dunstable shot was in the air. It counts, and Dunk hits another. 39 to 37. Dunstable shooting all alone underneath. His foul shot is up and in. 39 to 38. Princeton behind by only 1 point. 10 minutes left to go in the game here at the Chicago Stadium. Princeton behind by only 1 point. 39 to 38. And there'll be the 1 minute timeout between the third and the fourth quarter. Princeton standing directly to our left. As a matter of fact, we can reach out and question on them. We're broadcasting direct from the playing court here in the Chicago Stadium.